Surrounded by mountain ranges with an oval-shaped valley in the center, Manipur is known as the jewel of India. 90% of Manipur is in hilly terrain, with many residents living with little or no electricity.
Manipur power supply was very poor, and we hardly enjoy 4 hours in a day. It's a very tough time.
That is when Tata Trusts, along with the Center for Microfinance and Livelihood and Selco Foundation, felt the need to intervene.
And while working with these families, we have always looked at how the livelihoods could be enhanced, as well as home lightings for their own requirements in the evening hours, and better education for their children. So currently the program, specifically in Manipur, works with about 700 families.
The key livelihood interventions that were identified under this project include promotion of solar-powered sewing machines and blacksmith blowers. For Rebecca, solar power has transformed her life in many ways.
तौबगानदे कुचुमंदुनादि कोनादबनिना अदा कोइगी सेवा मणिपुरदा थेंगनारगा आइगी होम लाइटनिंग गी तौनर मतुंगदा कोइ लाइवलीहुड की प्रोग्राम जे लै खोले अदा इचे दुगो पाफाउना बदगे कोइना मिचिन जे समनारगा कोइ 13 सेमगा मिचिन लौदागिबनि.
To fulfill her entrepreneurial pursuits, Rebecca received a loan of 35,000 rupees from Seva Manipur to buy solar-powered sewing machines. It has helped her take her embroidery business to the next level. The story is not very different for Kangjam. Being cut off from an electric grid connection, he installed solar lighting 2 years back. Since then, he has never looked back.
Usan Maira dagi hore. Usan Maira si hor potegi mathang da candle lae candle sidegi kerosene toraga koi latin da thalaga sijinare. Adu summa matam sigi yawon ri matung inna laga hogi solar amuk pange solar sina amuk thale.
Tourism lakpa kangbu singda awabasu oi ade housing na solar gi phajaba light asoba laabanina hawiti makoi desu.
And tourists have already started to praise this initiative.
The light is also really helpful at night because it is absolutely dark.
Pitch dark.
Otherwise it would have been pitch dark without that bulb inside. It would have been absolutely pitch dark and very difficult to go about,
But the journey of promoting solar-powered units was far from smooth.
Manipur is like the boundary of international border called Myanmar, so very cheap solar panels are available in the market. So they go with this thing saying ki why would we buy a higher cost solar panels when we are getting solar panels much cheaper rate.
To address this issue, the CML project team carried out awareness drives to sensitize the community about the disadvantages of using cheap solar products. Under this program, many village youth were trained as solar entrepreneurs to provide regular service to the customers. Affordability of solar-powered units was another major issue that prevented communities from adopting it. So, the project team started a revolving fund in partnership with microfinance institutions and joint liability groups.
अगर हम लोग माइक्रो फाइनेंस स्टार्ट किया है उसमें कोई कोऑर्डिनेटर नहीं है. छोटा मोटा हम लोग माने लोन 10,000 से लेके हम लोग अब तो 60,000 70,000 तक हम लोग माइक्रो फाइनेंस में हम लोग उसको सपोर्ट करते आ रहा है.
These micro loans have helped many families access solar-powered energy and also generated livelihoods.
Solar battery de yamwa ro mai lakta kan ma mane na angang lai su ba da lem gumba tilkendeng gumba thala ka bin se na yamwa le. Solar se matam changla kada thise ra ka so sahi un kha koi ni na ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯗꯗꯤ ꯊꯤꯗꯣꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅ
The program with the 3 partners has proven that people take loans, solar energy products get diffused, people pay back the loans, which was one of the biggest risks that banks and other institutions were thinking. Proven that this can be done.
This program for decentralized energy solutions has touched the lives of hundreds of families in many different ways. With a large part of India struggling with unreliable electricity, this program serves as a role model for bringing lights into the lives of the underprivileged.